Hello and welcome to another Temples tutorial, number 6. This one is how to take and make a copy of a file that's in your Google Drive. All right, so let's take a look. In our Google Drive, we have an English homework, history, math, and science homework. These are all templates for, let's say, your first assignment. Now, what if we want to use the same template for, let's say, our second assignment? Well, let's have an easy way to do that. This is what it looks like right off the bat. You've got a great set of tables ready for you to insert your data. There we are. This is for English. You can have, say, your vocabulary term off to the left and your definition to the right. If you need some place to drop in a big paragraph or a written response, you can put that in some of these boxes. And if you like it that much, you'd like to make a copy, here's what you can do. Make sure you go up to File up in the top. You can click Make a Copy. And now we need to title it something else. Let's make it say English Homework Module number 2. And let's leave it in that same folder right here, student number 26 right there. You will be able to leave it in your same personal student folder. Click OK, and there's our second copy. It should say English Module 2 in the title. Notice how the text is exactly the same as the first homework assignment, Module 1. So we'll need to go back and check that and remove this text from here. And there she is. Now it's officially Homework Module 2. Let's go back to Google Drive just to make sure we got both of them in there. Let's see what we got. English Homework Module 1, English Homework Module 2. We're all set. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something new.